Medical Terminology, Lesson 1. Basic word structure. Medical terms can be divided into 2 to 4 parts. Even if a word is unfamiliar to you, you can figure out the meaning by knowing what each part means. Important elements of medical terms. Root, foundation of the term. Suffix, word ending. Prefix, word beginning. Combining vowel. Vowel, usually O, that links the root to the suffix or the root to another root. How to read medical terms. You should read medical terms starting from the suffix and returning to the beginning of the word. Epigastric, epi, prefix meaning above. Gastra, root meaning stomach. Ic, suffix meaning pertaining to. Epigastric, pertaining to above the stomach. And if you see, you start with the suffix and you go to the beginning. So, pertaining to above stomach. Rules for combining vowels. Drop the combining vowel before a suffix that begins with a vowel. Root, gastro, suffix, itis. Correct is gastritis. Incorrect is to have the O in the root. Keep the combining vowel between 2 roots even if the second root begins with a vowel. Root, gastro. Root number 2 is entero. Suffix, logi. Or logi, I don't know how you would exactly pronounce the correct. Gastroenterology. And notice that they keep the combining vowel in these cases. Incorrect would be to remove the O in gastro. So the difference between that is that of combining vowel before a suffix that begins with a vowel, you drop the combining vowel. But if it's before another root, then you keep it. Combining forms. A combining form is the combination of a root with a combining vowel. For example, arthro. Arthra is the root and the O is the combining vowel. O is the most frequently used combining vowel. Combining forms. Adeno means gland. Arthro means joint. Bio means life. Carcino means cancerous or cancer. Cardio means heart. Cephalo means head. Cerebro means cerebrum. Schizo, I don't always know how you pronounce them as, combining forms. It means to cut. Crino means to secrete, to form, or to give off. Cysto means urinary bladder, sac containing fluid, or cyst. Cyto means cell. More combining forms. Dermo and dermato both mean skin. Electro means electricity. Encephalo, not to be confused with cephalo, which means head. Encephalo means brain. Entero means intestines. It usually refers to the small intestines. Erythro, red, means red. Gastro means stomach. Glyco means sugar. Noso means knowledge. Gyneco means woman or female. Hemato means blood. Hemo also means blood. Hepato means liver. Iatro means treatment or physician. Leuco means white. Logo means study, or logo, I don't know. Nephro means kidney. Neuro means nerve. Onco means tumor. I always have that problem with that. Ophthalmo, I think. Eye. That one's always been hard for me. Osteo, bone. Patho, disease. Pedo, child. Psycho, mind. Radio, x-rays. Reno, kidney. This also, remember, there's two forms actually for kidney. There's nephro and then there's Reno. Which one is used? One I think is Greek and the other was Latin. They use them for two different ways, so it's not actually as confusing as you would think. They'll get into that more later. Rhino means nose. Sarco means flesh. Secto means to cut, just like schizo or sizo or whatever. Thrombo means clot or clotting, and uro means urinary tract or urine. Quiz time. The answers to the questions will follow each slide. In the combining word above, endocrinology, label the A, combining vowel, B, prefix, C, suffix, D, root, E, combining form. Combining vowels. Combine the roots with the suffixes correctly. So with each one, how would you combine the root arthro with the suffix itis? And that's how we're doing. Number 3 is a lot more complicated because we're going to have two roots with a suffix. What vowel is frequently used as a combining vowel? Terminology. Write the combining form that goes with the definition. Write the combining form that goes with the definition, doing the same thing. Notice that some of these have two terms that will go with them. Okay. Define the following combining forms. Remember, you can always pause the video. I'm going to have to make the little spaces shorter because I'm starting to run out of juice here, folks. And that's the end of the quiz.